Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I have brought 2 rows ribbing pattern. From backside it looks like this, which you can use in sweaters, shawls, cap, jackets. For this pattern you need to cast on multiple of 4 stitches plus 2 stitches to complete the pattern and plus 2 for edge. So let us start now. For demonstration I have taken 16 stitches. Our pattern starts from right side, slip edge stitch and then knit all stitches. Here we have completed our first row. Let us begin our second row now. Slip first edge stitch. Now let us start our repeat pattern. For repeat pattern, knit 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then yarn in front and slip 2 stitches. Again yarn in back. Our repeat pattern is completed now. Repeat till last 3 stitches. Knit last 2 stitches of the pattern and then purl edge stitch. Here we have completed our second row. Repeat these 2 rows over and over until you reach your desired length. After few repeats, your pattern will look like this. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up icon. And if you are visiting my channel for first time, click on the subscribe and bell icon to be notified of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching my video, friends. Bye.